your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Well, it's certainly going to be an active Monday for us here in North Mississippi and West Alabama as a significant ice storm is going to be pushing through here, bringing us some conditions that probably you have not seen yet in your lifetime. We have already been dealing with some light freezing rain, sleet, even snow since yesterday, and now we're getting the second round, and this is just the beginning of the main event that is going to be today, as we are expecting that snow to push through. Here is a live look in Tupelo this morning. This is sleet that you see down there on the ground, and we have another live look of an MDOT camera in Tupelo. If we can get to that. Looks like we're having issues with that. Oh, there we go. We kind of have to give these cameras a moment. They're going through a lot right now with the freezing rain and the precipitation we're dealing with. That is all sleet. I think this is outside of Barnes Crossing Mall in downtown Tupelo, if I'm not mistaken. And this is actually 82 in Columbus this morning. You can kind of see that glaze already. I'm hoping people are going to be taking it easy out on the roads if you do need to travel. Again, we've been talking about this since last week. This is definitely not the time to be traveling out on the roads unless you essentially have to, as we're going to continue getting round after round of freezing rain, sleet, and snow over the next several hours as this powerful winter storm that has been bringing some significant winter weather to Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas and Missouri over the last 24 hours. All of this activity you're seeing is heading in our direction, so this event is far from over for us. Here is the latest winter weather alerts for us here in North Mississippi and West Alabama. If you live in Monroe County and all of our West Alabama counties, you are now under ice storm warnings. Most of us still remain under winter storm warnings. However, I would not be surprised if those ice storm warnings in the purple do get extended more farther west because of the significant ice impacts and accumulations we're going to be dealing with, especially in areas southeast of the Trace over the next 6 to 12 hours. So again, our main concerns are the dangerous road conditions that will occur due to the accumulating ice, snow, and sleet we're going to be experiencing. And unfortunately, this could lead to power outages. So I hope that you've been prepared with a full tank of gas, or maybe you went to Lowe's or Home Depot and got a generator and got the gas to fill up the generator, and also stocked up on non-perishables, because if we do lose the power, the food in your refrigerator will go bad. So please do keep that in mind. And we still have dangerous cold air that we're going to be experiencing here over the next 24 hours, as it's going to be a cold night for us tonight with wind chills in the single digits and below zero after this storm moves off to the east. So our latest hour-by-hour forecast is picking up a freezing rain, sleet mix throughout most of the morning, and then we'll start seeing a little bit of this blue color. That is signifying snow around 9 a.m. in our north and western counties. Now, we are still thinking that our northwestern counties are still going to get more of a snow event, while areas southeast of the Trace, again, will still be dealing with a freezing rain sleet mix. And then we'll see a little more rounds of some snow move through here by this afternoon, and everything should come to an end by this evening. And then we'll be left behind with the cold conditions. We're already getting reports of icy roads and bridges out there, and unfortunately this is going to continue throughout the day today and into Tuesday, because we're still going to be below freezing on Tuesday, so it's still going to make it pretty icy and dicey out there out on the roads. About a quarter to half an inch of ice expected, especially areas southeast of the Trace. 2 to 4 inches of snow possible for areas northwest of the Trace. Here is your 7-day forecast. We have another storm we'll be watching closely Wednesday into Thursday, and then warming up and more sunshine for the weekend.